My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the Ford Fiesta ST-2. This car comes with a 1.5 litre turbo engine, as well as an EcoBoost, and it has done just under 35,000 miles. On the steering wheel we can see features such as cruise control and voice control. And then on the screen we have features such as Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay and valet mode. We also have heated seats as well as AC and a variation of driving modes. So we can choose either normal, sport or racetrack. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.